All right, so if you looked at Desmos, if A is 1, that means that you kind of have like a positive slope. It's going to look like this, where my curves are in the first or third quadrant. If A is negative, that is a reflection over the x-axis. And if I were just to do like a little mini graph, it's almost like I have a negative slope. They're in the negative, so my curve would be on this side, and my curve would be on this side, okay? And again, that's like a negative slope. I'm going down from left to right, okay? If A is 1, we're going to say that is no transformations or none. All right, let's go to my horizontal. That's why it's H, horizontal shift. If I have a positive number, I'm actually going to be going to the left. And if I have a negative number, my function goes to the right. For my vertical, I always like to spell vertical with the K. Okay, so that's going up or down. If I have a positive number, my function is going up. And if I have a negative number, my function is going down. So let's go actually try some of these transformations. Okay, it's giving me my parent function on the left, okay, which is f of x equals 1 over x. So no transformations have happened. My horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0, and my vertical asymptote is at x equals 0. Okay, so to go from the left graph to this first right one, I'm like, ooh, okay. The first thing I notice is, oh, my asymptote, my horizontal asymptote, I have gone up 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to say up 3. Okay. And my vertical asymptote, I have moved to the right 1. So right 1. Okay. My vertical asymptote is, again, this orange, and it's going through the x. So this is x equals 1. And my horizontal asymptote is going through the y-axis at 3. So this is y equals 3. Okay, and hopefully you're starting to see some connections as you continue working. And then last, we're going to keep practicing domain. Okay, so I'm going to start. You always read left to right. So how far left can my function go? Well, it can go forever. So I'm going to start at negative infinity. It's going to stop, okay, at my vertical asymptote right here, because it can't touch this x value at 1. Okay, so we're going to approach but never touch. We're going to start back at 1, and then it's going to go forever to the right, so to positive infinity. Let's try our next example. So example 2, okay, the first thing I notice is, okay, my horizontal asymptote has moved down, okay, and we've gone down 4. The second thing I've noticed is, okay, so my parent function was originally in these two, okay, and it has reflected. So this is a reflection over x-axis, okay? It has moved to like the other quadrants, okay? So vertical asymptote, let's go look at that. Again, is where we're going to approach but never touch, and that did not change. So that's going to stay at x equals 0. And my horizontal asymptote did change, and that's going to be y equals 1, 2, 3, negative 4. Again, should match. Okay, and last, let's go do domain. So my domain, I'm going to look, is starting forever left, so I'm coming from negative infinity. It's going to stop at my vertical asymptote because I can't touch that, so at 0. It's not touching, so I'm going to put parentheses, union, starting right back at 0, and it's going to go forever to the right. All right, I want you to try the try 3 and 4.